you're looking for an easy crock pot meal for the family, then you are not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I am back today with another delicious crock pot meal. We are going to be making some goulash today in the crock pot. This is something that your entire family is going to love. So let me stop talking, we'll go over all the ingredients, then we'll get started. Alright my friends, we have some cheddar cheese, Worcestershire sauce, Elba macaroni, some minced garlic. I have a pound of ground beef. I have some Italian herbs. And then back there I have some diced tomato, a can of tomato soup, chicken broth, a medium-sized diced onion, salt, paprika, black pepper, and I had some red, yellow, and orange pepper in the freezer that I had chopped up. So I just pulled that out, but you could just use a red bell pepper, and that's fine. But I had that in the freezer, so I went ahead and used that. So friends, this is all the ingredients, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright my friends, I have a little bit of salt in my pan, and I went ahead and put my 1 pound of ground beef in here. I'm just going to go ahead and break this up and quickly cook it. And like I said, you know, this is the most time consuming part. You can do this, mine's still a tad bit frozen. You can do this the night before, days before, and freeze it. Have the kids do it when they get home from school the night before, the day before, and have it ready for the next morning. Or you can do it the morning of if you have the time. But that's what I love about this, that it is a make-ahead prep, very easy. So, alrighty, now I'm just going to season it a little bit with salt and pepper. It's my big shaker, so I need to be careful. Alrighty, and then we'll cook this up and we'll get started putting together the other ingredients. Alright my friends, we are just about done here, and as you can see I got quite a bit of grease. Even though this is very lean ground beef, I'm going to go ahead and drain that, and then we're going to put it in our crock pot. Alright, here we go. Let's put that in there. Alright my friends, we have our ground beef in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and add about 2.5 to 3 cups of chicken broth. You can use beef broth if you like. I had some chicken broth open from the other day and I wanted to get it used up, so I went ahead and used that. And now I'm going to add in a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, juice and all. You can add more if you like. You can absolutely add another can. We are not huge chunk tomato fans, so I'm just using 1 can, but please feel free to add 2 if you'd like. And now I'm adding in a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Okay. And let's just give that a good stir. Already it's smelling divine. And now I'm adding in my bell pepper. Like I said, I'm using what I had on hand. I had these in the freezer that I grow from my garden. And then we're using a medium-sized chopped onion. Let's mix that up really well. Get that, make sure that onion's broke up. And like I said, friends, at the end you can add the pasta after you cook it, or you can put it over your pasta. I love this dish because, like I said, it's versatile. You can use it for those that don't want pasta or those that do want pasta. All right, now we're going to add in a tablespoon of our Italian seasoning. Okay, a half a teaspoon of black pepper. So, almost knocked my Italian seasoning container off the counter. A teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of paprika. And then we're going to add in about 4 cloves of garlic. and just a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. One of my favorite things. Alrighty, and now let's just give this a really good stir. Get everything mixed really well. Smells so good. Alright friends, that is it. Let me just clean my mess up here and then we'll go ahead and turn our crock pot on. Alright my friends, we are going to put this on low and we're going to cook for about 6 hours. And then we'll do a taste test when we come back. Alright my friends, it is done. I wish you guys could have smelled this when I got home from work. Oops, oh my goodness, it smelled so good. So good. Now it is a little juicy because we don't have pasta in here. At this point you can add your pasta, mix it all up, or you can just top your pasta with it, which is what I'm going to do. Alright, I just have myself some pasta here. Let's put some of this in here. Just like that. Go ahead and mix that up. Alright, it's time for our taste test. Alright my friends, here it is. I'll give you a close-up at the end. We're going to go ahead and take a quick taste test. I'm not going to eat all this pasta, but I do want to give it a quick taste test with the pasta. Friends, this is really good. If you're going to eat the pasta, put it in there, mix it up. Pound of pasta, cooked, mixed in there, let it sit for about 20 minutes or so. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Some crusty bread with this. The cheese was getting stuck in my throat. Alright my friends, so that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.